This week, artificial intelligence reached a critical integration point. Between massive capital raises, the deployment of autonomous digital employees, and strict new legal realities, AI is being plugged directly into the corporate mainframe as a core utility powering the global economy. The sheer scale of this shift came into focus when OpenAI closed a $122 billion funding round. That capital injection pushes the company's valuation to an astonishing $852 billion. This pie chart breaks down the major investors driving the $122 billion round. Amazon led with a $50 billion contribution, flanked by $30 billion from NVIDIA and SoftBank. These three form OpenAI's strategic backbone, with Microsoft maintaining its partnership alongside this core. With this capital stack in place, OpenAI is selling AI electricity, the foundational compute layer for large-scale enterprise infrastructure. To deliver that electricity reliably, the OpenAI-Microsoft partnership has been restructured to support multi-cloud deployments. Large companies demand resilience, and this move ensures enterprise operations can run across different ecosystems without being locked into a single vendor. A departmental software experiment doesn't require over $100 billion to scale, but a permanent, company-wide operational layer, something on the level of an ERP system or the power grid itself, does. There is a bottleneck in this rollout, though. Midsized regional banks, healthcare networks, and manufacturers are struggling to integrate these models because they lack the internal engineering teams required to build the systems. Anthropic is bridging that exact deployment gap. They've launched a joint venture with private equity giants Blackstone, Goldman Sachs, and Hellman & Friedman to embed applied AI engineers directly into the offices of mid-sized organizations to custom-build Claude-powered workflows. Google Cloud immediately returned fire. In direct response to Anthropic's move, Google announced a $750 million fund strictly dedicated to supporting the development and adoption of Agentic AI across its partner network. Alongside that fund, Google launched the Gemini Enterprise Acceleration Program in partnership with Accenture. It targets the same deployment gap Anthropic is chasing, but scales the solution up for the world's largest organizations. Building a smarter model is only half the battle. The primary competition right now is actively hand-holding traditional businesses through the gritty process of making AI work on the factory floor. These organizations are building business-specific agents. These are task-specialized autonomous systems embedded into workflows that function as digital employees. In the manufacturing sector, a mid-sized industrial company recently deployed a production planner agent. It constantly reads inventory levels, checks supplier lead times, and autonomously adjusts daily machine scheduling routines without human intervention. In healthcare, multi-site networks are rolling out clinical scribe agents. These systems listen to patient conversations, automatically draft detailed clinical notes, and update electronic health records, saving human doctors up to 2 hours per shift. This surge in digital employees is possible because frontier models have finally mastered reliable tool use, the ability to click, type, and navigate external applications. In tandem, enterprise cloud platforms have rolled out strict agent orchestration to manage memory and task execution. These agents operate continuously within defined policy boundaries, acting as a scalable workforce multiplier that integrates directly into the corporate org chart. With organizations relying on these digital workers for core operations, the primary differentiator has shifted. Robust safety evaluation frameworks, combined with massive, efficient compute scale, now define the competitive moat. We saw the scale of this commitment on May 6th, when reports confirmed that Anthropic agreed to spend $200 billion over the next 5 years entirely on Google Cloud infrastructure. This line graph illustrates the immediate financial shockwave of that contract. Upon the news of one of the largest cloud commitments in history, the resulting surge briefly pushed Alphabet's market cap above NVIDIA's in after-hours trading. Long-term, multi-billion-dollar cloud commitments prove that secure, massive-scale compute access is the ultimate bottleneck and the primary battleground for the future economy. But as these systems weave into daily operations, the rules of engagement are hardening. This week, U.S. courts officially ruled that business conversations with AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude are now discoverable evidence in corporate litigation. Lawyers are warning that AI chat histories can be subpoenaed, just like a company email or a Slack message. Organizations are now implementing strict data retention and compliance policies for all employee AI interactions. Because of the heavy strain on this infrastructure, fallback plans are becoming essential. On May 8th, OpenAI released GPT 5.3 Instant Mini, specifically to serve as a high-quality strategic fallback, ensuring business continuity when premium models hit their rate limits. Operational integration, legal compliance, and resilient infrastructure are now the permanent requirements for any enterprise strategy. For more deep dives into the transition to an AI-native economy,